If you think your cat loves you, wait till you hear what they text. Spoiler, it's not all purrs and cuddles. Let's dive in. So, picture this. You're relaxing, phone in hand, when, ping, a message pops up. It's your cat. Feed me, now. You're 5 minutes late, and trust me, they've noticed. Next, another ping. I saw a bug, fix it. Because obviously you're the full-time bug removal service. Then comes the guilt trip. You pet the dog first. We need to talk. Classic cat drama, right? And finally, when you're busy working, I'm on your keyboard. Deal with it. Honestly, if cats could text, we'd never get a moment's peace. Would your cat send you sassy messages too? Hit like and subscribe for more hilarious animal antics.